Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Google Sheet editable by multiple users. So here I have my data in Google Sheets, my file, and now the current settings of this file is private to only me. You can see here private to only me. And if you want to make the Google Sheets file uh, editable by multiple users, you need to change the access first. So you can go to share, or you can also go to file, and then here click on share, and then go to click on share with others here. And then what you need to do first is change the general access from restricted into anyone with the link. And then after that you can just add other people or users that can be as an editor for this file. For example, I want to add this account, and then you can also notify them or not. You can use their role as editor so that they can add this file. And you can also add more than one account, so you can add the other in here, for example this one, and then this one's right here. And after that, when you're done, just click on send, and later there when they open this file, they can have access and edit this file. Okay guys, so I think that's all. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment, and that's it for me today. See you guys next time.